This was a fascinating but skin-crawling experience. Somehow, as humans, we're engineered to feel a level of disgust, but it's really just nature in action. What I saw was a rolling swarm of sawfly larvae. Sawflies aren't actually flies. They are wasps without stings. Their egg-laying tubes are saw-shaped. The females use this saw to saw holes in leaf stems where they lay their eggs. Once the larvae hatch, they eat the leaves on the tree. These ones in this video probably eat eucalyptus species based on where they were seen. They can secrete a liquid that stings from their mouth. In Australia, they're called spitfires because of the stinging liquid that dribbles from their mouths. But it's a bit misleading. They don't actually spit, it just dribbles. They pupate in or on the ground, sometimes in cocoons, sometimes in burrows. Adults live for less than a week and are rarely seen. So once they lay their eggs, they're pretty much, they pupate, they become adults, and then they lay their eggs after mating, and then it's pretty much over. They're rarely seen because they're usually high up in the canopy. The photo of this adult was taken when I rescued the sawfly after intense rain, and I don't know if that's because it had just become an adult and didn't get a chance to fly up to the canopy, or whether the wind and the rain had washed it into the runoff on the ground. Scientists are actually studying sawfly fossils from as far back as the Jurassic period. So these are an ancient species that has not died out and has changed very little. They're thought to be very close to the ancient ancestors of bees, wasps, and flies. Now, when they are young and they're eating those leaves, they can actually defoliate entire trees. When they do this, they then have to move down to the ground to find another tree. And as they travel along the ground, they move in what's called a rolling swarm, which is what you're watching right now. This rolling swarm is pretty small. These guys aren't built for speed. So a rolling swarm, it uses the principle of an escalator, constantly crawling over one another to increase their speed. They'll also pause from time to time in order to try to avoid being spied by predators. That stinging liquid that they dribble is obviously also a defense from predators. So there's another little wonder from the garden, one that's not seen very often. I imagine it would have been more common in the past, but what a fascinating creature, and what a beautiful adult. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this, please like it and share it on your social media platforms. I'd love it if you'd subscribe to the channel so that I can keep giving you information about nature and gardening and bush tucker and all that sort of stuff. Keep on growing.